We are gathered here today in the sight of God, in this presence of friends and loved ones, to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words that will unite Ralph and Galaxina in holy matrimony. Ralph and Galaxina, marriage is the most important of all earthly relationships. It should be entered into reverently, thoughtfully, and with full understanding of its sacred nature. Love is never glad about injustice, but rejoices whenever truth wins out. If you love someone, you will be loyal to them no matter what the cost. You will always believe in them, always expect the best in them, and will always stand your ground in defending them. Your marriage must stand by the strength of your love and the power of faith in God and in each other. Just as two threads woven in opposite directions form a beautiful tapestry, so too your two lives, when merged together, will be one. Ralph, do you take Galaxina to be your wife?
I do.
Good. We're off to a good start. Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only onto her forevermore?
Without a question, I do.
And Galaxina, do you take Ralph to be your husband?
I do.
Right, we're off to a really good start. Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others and holding only onto him forevermore?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, great. I, Ralph, take you, Galaxina,
Take you, Galaxina,
to be my wife, my partner in life,
to be my wife, my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I will cherish our friendship
I will cherish our friendship.
and love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will love you today, tomorrow.
I, Galaxina,
I, Galaxina,
take you, Ralph, to be my husband,
take you, Ralph, to be my husband,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love. Vincent, today I take my vows with your father, but I also take my vows with you. For the past 7 years, I have watched you grow into an amazing young boy. I promise to continue to love you as you are one of my own. I will love you always.
Galaxina, take this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity.
Further ado, by the power invested in me, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Ralph, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the new happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ralph Michael Iorio Jr.
To the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Iorio. I want to congratulate you both on this special day. Wish you both the best of luck now in the near future. Hope you continue to grow in your relationship and hopefully a family. We're all waiting. You can all imagine how well I know this dude since pre-K. Although his high energy would drive us all crazy. Probably break a man's hand with his pound. I know Gally loves you, brother. I know she loves you, brother. If I could give any advice, I say to love each other like it's your last day. Never let anything get in the way. You guys deserve the best. how perfect she is for you truly makes me happy for you. And Gally, thank you. You brought my brother way up whenever he was weighing down. And for that, I love you.
Hey guys! Hey! I really can't top that, but from my heart, you know I love you, girls, and I love you, and you have your fairy tale. 30 long years for all of us, and you found your fairy tale, you found your lobster.
Ralph, I'm so happy you found such a beautiful, loyal backbone in a wife. She's truly amazing.
Please make your way towards the outside where the buffet was, because that's where we're going to cut the cake. The party's not done.
Congratulations. I love you guys. How perfect she is for you truly makes me happy for you. And Gally, thank you. You brought my brother way up whenever he was weighing down. And for that, I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the new happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ralph Michael Iorio Jr.